Is it cool to do a video review of a gift you got for your wife before you give it to her? That's right. I ordered this for Nikki. I got her a new set of headphones the other day, and she's going on a trip, and I didn't want them to get ruined, so I thought a case would be really cool. I was looking around. She loves this kind of color. I thought the shape looked great. I read the reviews, seemed interesting. So here we are. Let's open it up, see what it looks like, see if the headphones fit in, if there's room for other things, and then you can make your own decision on what you want to do. All right, so here it is. I will say for me, like the outside's a nice cute color. The inside's kind of like a muted green. Yeah, not my favorite color green. The outside I really like, inside not so much, but you can't have everything, right? And maybe you like that color green. So let's try it. Here we go, first shot. And we go like this. Oh, it's like it was made for it. As a matter of fact, it was. Imagine that. So look, perfect fit. Actually, this is really nice because the way it fits in there, you could put like a battery pack or some wires, that kind of stuff, comfortably in there with no, whoop, haha, caught it, with no issues. And this is a nice hard case, and it's gonna keep you, it just makes it so you could take those headphones, throw them in your carry-on, throw them in a bag, that kind of stuff, and you don't have to worry about them. Whereas if they weren't in a case or if they're in a soft case, you kind of got to make sure they're not getting crushed in there. And I just wanted travel to be easy for Nikki. This seemed like a pretty color, make travel easier. I think I got a good gift. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.